This patient is an elderly male pseudophakic who presented with subtotal retinal detachment. The patient has an axial length of approximately 30 millimeters. Core vitrectomy is being done and vitreous traction is being removed. Triamcinolone was injected to confirm that the PVD has occurred and the vitrectomy is continued. It is very vital to do a safe vitrectomy and remove all possible traction from the breaks and the detached area. Assisted scleral indentation is being done to shave the vitreous base meticulously. Following the rules of vitrectomy, high-speed cutter and low suction is being employed. Vitreous being shaved from the positive breaks. This particular patient also had a full thickness macular hole. DBG dye injected and then aspirated, shifted to macular lens for better visualization of the ILM. Although in this case, because of the underlying high-grade myopia, the contrast of the ILM staining isn't very optimal, yet one needs to peel as much as possible of the ILM to relieve the tangential traction and achieve a successful closure of the full thickness macular hole. Repeat staining for better visualization so that we get a successful ILM peeling done. And now, a drainage nasal retinotomy is created. Fluid and exchange is done to reattach the retina, drain the subretinal fluid. And here we see that successful retinal reattachment is occurring. We used silicone oil as tamponade in this case. Laser was done to the breaks, the drainage retinotomy and 360 degree. This is at 1 month. The patient presented with an attached retina under oil and the BCVA was 618. Thank you.